Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in the lovely Protaras area, and that's Fig Tree Bay. And we've just been down there and done a little video, and the Fig Tree Bay beach is full up, guys. Loads of people enjoying the beach this time of the year. It is the end of February, so we're going to do a little update on the Chrystalla Hotel, guys. It's having a massive extension put on the back. The original rooms I've left alone. Nothing's been done to the original rooms, and there they are. Those lovely rooms with those big balconies, and we could see pallets and pallets of tiles. And nowadays they use these massive tiles. Look, can you see? That's the tile adhesive. 2 massive pallets of tile adhesive. Now it is Sunday, and there are lots of workers here today, and they've been here 7 days a week since it started. So there's the new extension. Can you see? The original hotel, and then we've got this massive extension here. Now when we first came down here, we thought this was going to be a restaurant, didn't we, like a veranda, but no, it's all new rooms. Look at that. And of course the swimming pool area being taken away, and they had those statues, and there should be down there on the left, unless they're gone now. We'll have a look. Oh no, there they are, look, down here on the corner. And as I said before, the swimming pool area on this side has been taken away, and it looks like there's a big hole. I wonder what that's going to be. Another swimming pool perhaps, or some sort of foundations. What do you think? We're not sure, guys, but the original swimming pool is still there. There we are. Let's go round now, be careful. As it says, it's quite a big hole. Go around this way. Oops, careful. There we are. So there's the original swimming pool, and there's the massive extension going up. Can you see? Looks like still quite a lot of work to complete. The outside needs rendering. They put the insulation in, and I think that's the stairwell up there. Massive verandas, look at that, and another stairwell further back. There's the original hotel, and the grounds around here, guys. So still plenty of room to relax, because we've got this area around here, look, all the way around here. There we are, and then the kids pool, you see. So plenty of space to relax. And that, I think, might be a second swimming pool perhaps, who knows. Ah, there's some rope going across it. Look, can you see? You might not be able to see it. It's very tiny rope. Look, one there and one there, and it's squared off. So that could be a swimming pool over that side. A separate swimming pool. Right, be careful as we go round. We don't want to end up in the hole. We don't mind once it's a massive beautiful swimming pool, but we don't fancy going in there now. Right, let's go round. Yeah, there's a massive staircase on this side. Oh, there is a basement area, look at that. You see that basement area, and then this big hole. I wonder if that's going to be some sort of spa down there, guys. Could be, couldn't it? That's the insulation. There we are, well pointed out. This is what they put out here now, guys, if they're building new builds. There we are. That's what we spotted round the other side. So that goes on the walls, and then a render on top. Very clever. So guys, all on schedule to open on the 21st of April. Oh, conveniently located benches there. They're probably going to have a little spruce of paint on them. And you can see the main restaurant down here. That's all shut, kept away from all the dust from the extension. So I hope you enjoyed that little update on the Chrystalla Hotel, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.